Yes, children, good afternoon. Yesterday we learned about the family. What is family and who are the members and how we can share our responsibility and how we can take care of and love the other members of the family. What are our responsibilities towards our family? Okay. This we learn in first lesson. Now we are going to learn a different types of families. Different types of families. Okay, children? Our second lesson is different types of families. Different types of families. There are parents and siblings. Parents and siblings together form a family. Parents and siblings. Siblings అంటే ఎవరు? తోబుట్టువులు. అక్క, తమ్ముడు, అన్న, చెల్లి, అన్న, చెల్లి, అక్క, తమ్ముడు ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళు. ఓకేనా? సిబ్లింగ్స్ అంటే మనతో పాటు పుట్టిన వాళ్ళు. మన అన్న తమ్ములు కానీ అక్క చెల్లెలు కానీ వీళ్ళు సిబ్లింగ్స్. పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ సిబ్లింగ్స్ together form a family. Those are living in the family. All families are different from each other. Any families same untaya? No. All families are different from each other. In some families there are many children. In some families only one child or two children. Okay na? Then if a family having one or two children is called a small family. Okay, children? A family having one or two children is called a small nuclear family. What is that? Small nuclear family. Okay, a family having one or two children is called a small nuclear family. And a family having more than two children, 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, any sum. Okay, a family having more than two children is called a big nuclear family. A family having one or two children is called a small nuclear family. A family having more than two children is called a big nuclear family. Here Sanchit lives with his parents and little sister. His family is a small nuclear family. Here one person is named like you. He is also your friend. His name is Sanchit. He lives with his parents and his younger sister. Younger అంటే మనకంటే చిన్న వాళ్ళని యంగర్ అంటాం, మనకంటే పెద్ద వాళ్ళని ఎల్డర్ అంటాం. సంచిత్ he is living with his parents and his చిన్న చెల్లి లిటిల్ సిస్టర్. ఆ ఫ్యామిలీని ఏమంటారు? 1 or 2 children ఉంటే స్మాల్ న్యూక్లియర్ ఫ్యామిలీ. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? స్మాల్ న్యూక్లియర్ ఫ్యామిలీ. హియర్ సంచిత్ is living with his parents and his small little children, younger sister. Then his family is a small nuclear family. Okay? A family with 2 or more children is called a big nuclear family. Here big nuclear family example is Amit family. Amit lives with his parents, 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Here Sanchit lives his parents and his sister. Only 4 members. 1 or 2 children. He, his parents and his sister. Only 2 children are there. It is a small nuclear. Here Amit lives with his parents, 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Means parents and 5 children. It means more than 2 children. Amit's family is a big nuclear family. Why? Because in his family, parents, he and his 2 brothers, 2 sisters are there. It is a big nuclear family. His family is a big nuclear family. Small family is a happy family. Here, look at the picture. Here it is. This is a small nuclear family. A small parents, there only 1 child. Small nuclear. Okay? Here, parents, 4 children. It is a big nuclear family. Big nuclear, painundi, small nuclear, and the small nuclear, big nuclear. And here activity has given to us. Name 2 famous persons, celebrities who have been brought up in small nuclear family, big nuclear family, joint family. Better to try this. A small family is a happy family. Do you agree? Write your views in 2 sentences. Small family is a happy family or joint big family is a happy family. It is your opinion. Write any 5 sentences, 5 views into write your views into 2 sentences. Okay? Here the page number is 14 and here they are given more members are there in picture. Here only 3 members. Parents, 1 child. It is a very small family. Here parents and 4 children. It is a big nuclear family. And here it is in this picture. Many members are there. Many members are there. A family which has grandparents. Here it is grandparents. Grandparents and parents. Okay? Uncles, babai, pinny, children and other living together in a house is called a joint family. ఇక్కడ పిక్చర్లో నానమ్మ, తాతయ్య, నాన్న, అమ్మ, బాబాయ్, పిన్ని, వాళ్ళ పిల్లలు, మీరు. అవునా? వీళ్ళందరూ ఉన్నారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. తాతయ్య, నానమ్మ, పిన్ని, బాబాయ్, ఇంకో పెద్ద బాబాయ్, పెద్ద పిన్ని, వాళ్ళ 2 పిల్లలు, చిన్న బాబాయ్ వాళ్ళ 2 పిల్లలు, మీరు, వీళ్ళందరూ ఒకే ఫ్యామిలీలో. మళ్ళీ పెళ్లి కానీ మీ డాడీ వాళ్ళ చెల్లి, అత్తయ్య, వీళ్ళందరూ ఉంటారు కదా. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. తెలుగులో ఉమ్మడి కుటుంబం. తెలుగులో ఉమ్మడి కుటుంబం అంటారు. ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. In a joint family, grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and their children all living together in a same house is a joint family. Okay na? Joint family. A parents and only 1 or 2 children is a small nuclear family. Parents and more than 2 or more children is called a big nuclear family. And in a family, grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and their children all living together is called a joint family. This is in this picture, it is a joint family. It is a joint family. Here it is the joint family. Okay children, it is a joint family. In this picture we are seeing lot of members, many members. నానమ్మ, తాతయ్య, అమ్మ, నాన్న, బాబాయ్, పిన్ని, వాళ్ళ పిల్లలు. ఇదంతా జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ, ఉమ్మడి కుటుంబం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్? ఓకే. Minnie lives హర్ పేరెంట్స్. గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్. ఇక్కడ ఒక పాప పేరు మిన్నీ. హియర్ మిన్నీ. మిన్నీ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు? మిన్నీ లివ్స్ విత్ హర్ పేరెంట్స్, గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్, అంకుల్, ఆంట్ అండ్ కజిన్స్. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నారు? ఈ మిన్నీ అనే అమ్మాయి నానమ్మ, తాతయ్య, అమ్మ, నాన్న, బాబాయ్, పిన్ని, వాళ్ళ పిల్లలు, వీళ్ళందరూ కజిన్స్. అంటే అంకుల్స్, ఆంటీ, చిల్డ్రన్ కజిన్ అంటారు. అవునా? అందరూ ఒకే ఇంట్లో ఉంటున్నారు. మిన్నీ లివ్స్ విత్ హర్ పేరెంట్స్, గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్, అంకుల్, ఆంట్ అండ్ కజిన్స్. హర్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఈజ్ ఏ జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. అందరూ ఉన్నారు. ఇది జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. అంటే ఒక ఫ్యామిలీలో 3-4 కలిసి ఉన్నారు. 3-4 ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఒకే దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి. జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. ఎవరి ఫ్యామిలీ వాళ్ళకి సపరేట్ కాకుండా ఒక ఫ్యామిలీలోనే ఎన్నో ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. Unfortunately, some children lost one of their parents and are brought up by a single parent. Such family is called a single parent family. Unfortunately, అనుకోకుండా ఒక ఫ్యామిలీలో వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్లో ఎవరైనా ఒకరికి ఏదైనా అయిపోయి వాళ్ళు లేకుండా పోతే, ఒక ఫ్యామిలీలో వాళ్ళ అమ్మనో నాన్ననో సడన్గా ఏమైనా అయిపోయారనుకోండి, వాళ్ళ అమ్మ చనిపోతే వాళ్ళ నాన్నతో బతుకుతారు, వాళ్ళ నాన్న లేకపోతే అమ్మతో బతుకుతారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ ద చిల్డ్రన్ లాస్ట్ దేర్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ పేరెంట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. వాళ్ళ నాన్న లేకున్నా సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ, వాళ్ళ అమ్మ లేకున్నా సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్? Children in broken families are also looked after by a single parent. చనిపోకున్నా ఏదో కారణాల వల్ల వాళ్ళ అమ్మనో నాన్ననో లేకుండా ఉంటే ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ కూడా సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ అంటారు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. ఐ లివ్ విత్ మై మదర్. హీ సే ఐ లివ్ విత్ మై మదర్. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నారు? వీళ్ళు పాప ముగ్గురు పిల్లలు, 2 మగ పిల్లలు, 2 boys, 1 girl. These are 3 children. They are living only with her father. They are saying, we live with our father. Here, mother is not there. Here, he is living with his mother. Father is not there. These 3 children, he is living with his father, with their father. Here, mother is not there. ఇందులో నాన్న లేడు, ఇందులో అమ్మ లేదు. ఇలాంటి ఫ్యామిలీస్ని సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. బోత్ పేరెంట్స్ లేరు. ఇక్కడ పేరెంట్స్ అమ్మ నాన్న ఇద్దరు లేరు. అయితే ఇందులో అమ్మ ఉంది, ఇందులో నాన్న ఉన్నాడు. ఈ ఫ్యామిలీలో అమ్మ ఉంది, నాన్న లేడు. ఈ ఫ్యామిలీలో నాన్న ఉన్నాడు, అమ్మ లేదు. దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. సింగిల్ పేరెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ. యువర్ సర్నేమ్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ నేమ్. Find out if your mother had a different surname before marriage. Here they are asking everyone having surname. Now my initial T, Todupunuri. Todupunuri we cannot write always. It means T indicates Todupunuri. Example, it is our family name. Family name is our surname. ఆడపిల్లలకి ఇప్పుడు మీ మమ్మీకి ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఒక సర్నేమ్ ఉంది కదా, కానీ మీ మమ్మీకి పెళ్లి కాకముందు ఇంకో సర్నేమ్ ఉంది. షీ కమ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అనదర్ ఫ్యామిలీ టు యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ. మీ ఫ్యామిలీలోకి వచ్చింది కాబట్టి మీ ఫ్యామిలీ యొక్క నేమ్ మీ మమ్మీకి వచ్చేసింది. అంతకుముందు బిఫోర్ మ్యారేజ్ షీ హ్యావ్ ఏ అనదర్ సర్నేమ్. ఫైండ్ అవుట్ యువర్ మదర్ సర్నేమ్ బిఫోర్ మ్యారేజ్. హియర్ activity 2, name of your family. Name of your family, your surname and your father name, your mother name, your siblings name. అంటే అక్కో అన్నో తమ్ముడో చెల్లె ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళ సిబ్లింగ్స్. యువర్ పెట్ నేమ్, కుక్క పిల్లో పిల్లి పిల్లో ఉంటుంది కదా, బిషి కానీ టామీ కానీ ఏమైనా ఉంటాయి కదా, అలాంటివి కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 15. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ అప్ టు హియర్? ఓకే. And it does not matter the kind of family you have. What matters is love. మీరు ఎలాంటి ఫ్యామిలీలో ఉన్నారన్నది కాదు, మీరు ఎంత హ్యాపీగా, మీరు ఎంత ప్రేమగా ఉన్నారు, దట్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాటర్ ఫర్ అస్. హౌ వీఆర్ లివింగ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీలీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాటర్ ఫర్ అస్. ఓకేనా? విచ్ ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ మ్యాటర్ the kind of family. It is small family or big family or joint family. Never it is the matter. But the matter is the kind of love. How you are sharing and caring towards the love. It is the matter of the family. All the family members celebrate festivals together. They celebrate certain occasions to express their love and affection towards others. All the family members celebrate festivals together. Yesterday, day before yesterday only, no, we are celebrated Dasara very happily. Okay, na? But this time we never go out. Lot of families, they celebrate at home only. Their happiness Dasara. Why? Because this panic is there, no? Okay. Then all the family members celebrate their festivals together, and they celebrate some occasions very happily. What are the occasions we can celebrate in our family? Just like birthday, marriage day, okay na? Any victory, okay? These are, and so many festivals, ceremonies, housewarming ceremony, cradle ceremony. These all we can celebrate together with our family. Okay children, all the family members celebrate festivals together. They celebrate certain occasions to express their love and affection towards others. Here they are given some examples to express our love, affection to our family members. Here on this occasion, the children is giving some gift to her mother on the occasion of Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, ma. They are giving some gift to their mother, and celebrating the victory. The parents and their siblings. Parents and their siblings can celebrate the victory of a family member. The victory of a family member, giving greetings, congratulating. Congratulations, oh, you are good, you got a job. It's very nice, you are very good. It's a very good occasion. Can we enjoy? Shall we celebrate the party? Okay, it is celebrating the victory of a family member. And here it is grandmother's birthday. Grandmother's birthday. When you are a small child, she is making you to happy on your birthday. Then when she become old, you also make her to happy on her birthday. Okay children, here it is celebrating grandmother's birthday. And here is marriage day anniversary. Marriage anniversary. Here the marriage anniversary. Okay, Mother's Day and victory. Celebrating victory of a family member. Here grandmother's birthday, and here it is the marriage anniversary. Okay, these are the different types of families. What is that? A family having one or two children is called a small nuclear family, and a family having two or more than two children. More than two children. It may be 3 or 4 or any. Okay? A family having 1 or 2 children is called a small nuclear family. A family having more than 2 children is called a big nuclear family. Here Sachit. Sanchit living in a small family and Amit living in a big nuclear family. Sanchit is a small nuclear family. Here it is big nuclear family and joint family. It is very important. It is a joint family. Joint family. Here the parents, grandparents, uncle, aunts and their children all together is called a joint family. It is a very happy family. Okay, and one more is unfortunately a children can lose their any one of their parent if they live with a single parent. It is called a single parent family. Single parent family. Okay, here some children are living like single parent. Here also they are also living with single parent. And in a family we can enjoy on festivals and on the occasions. Here we all are celebrating the festivals all together. Here some are the occasions to celebrate in our families. Okay, every family is a happy family. Every family is a happy family. Live happily with your family members. Okay children, every family is a very happy family. Write about, I am giving homework. Write about your family. Any 3 to 5 sentences. Here it is a homework for you. Okay? Here it is the homework for you. Okay? And let us go through the summative and formative assessment. Summative and formative assessment. Here, what is a family? What is a small nuclear family? What is a big nuclear family? First answers. And what is a joint family? A family having 1 or 2 children is a small nuclear family. A family having more than 2 children is called a big nuclear family. A family having parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins are called a joint families. Okay children? And what really matters in a family? Size of the family or love in the family? Love of the family is a matter. Okay now? And second bit, B bit. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. A large family having parents, grandparents and children is a joint family. Right. The children in a joint family always remain unhappy. No, they are very happy. True. False. Why? Because unhappy are happy untaru kabatti the sentence is false. A good family is that in which all the members of the family love and respect one another. True. Many festivals are celebrated in a family. True. We should not share our feelings with our family members. Why can't? We can share, we can care of the other member of the family. Then only we are living with our family, no? We can share our feelings with our family members. It is a false statement. Okay? And let us revise. Parents and siblings together form a family. A family having parents and 1 or 2 children is called a small nuclear family. A family having parents and more than 2 children is called a big nuclear family. In a joint family, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins live together. The size of the family does not matter. What matter is love and care. Okay? If you are having textbook, you should write what kind of family is it and write about your family. Okay na? This is the C bit. Page number 17. Homework. Write about your family any 3 to 5 sentences. Okay children, thank you. Thank you very much.